Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a very good freebie over at Walgreens with the Fetch Rewards app. So I'm going to walk you through how I would do the deal because a lot of us, had issues where rebates were there and then rebates vanished. What I would do is go into your Fetch account and then in the search bar, where they have the general merchandise, like that page of like, here's the new offers, here's what's trending. Type in clean and clear, and if you have this one, which is 5,000 back, either on the Clear Morning Burst Facial Cleanser or the Deep Action Exfoliator, grab a screenshot. When you get to the store, check if it's still there as well, like seconds before you submit your receipt. And as you can see, it was validated from the 4th going right till the 20th, and it doesn't exclude any stores. So we're going to be looking at this deal at a couple of different stores, but grab some screenshots. So if you have to write to their customer service, you have that on your phone. So the first store that we're at is Walgreens, and this is on sale this week for $6.39 for the Morning Burst. And there's specific sizing as well, but this is the one that we're looking for, and it is, I believe, 8 ounces. I have a $2 digital. I think you had to load this one a little while back, guys, so load it. And I'll also let you know that the Walgreens app was acting up this morning. I was having issues with it. But in store, grabbing one of these for $6.39, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $4.39, get 5,000 points back from Fetch. And again, as I stated, check that the rebate is there. When you're in the store, check that the rebate is there. And if you have any issues, email their Zendesk right away. After the 5,000 points back, it's free plus a 61-cent moneymaker. Alternatively, if you wanted to get the Deep Action Exfoliating Cleanser, I'm assuming it's quite a bit like a scrub. This one is $9.99. So after the $2 off and the $5 rebate, you are paying $3 for this. So an alternative deal. Now we're going to go to Walmart and we're just looking at, again, the Clean and Clear Morning Burst 8 ounces. It's on a rollback there for $5.37 over at Walmart. Grabbing one of these for $5.37, photograph your receipt to Fetch. Final price point here is 37 cents. And double, triple check that the rebate is still there. And if you have any issues, immediately email them, and then you have the screenshot of, oh, I had this rebate. Because a lot of us were having issues during Fetchtopia where deals weren't working at certain stores. But even with this 5,000 for the Clean and Clear, this promotion showed up last week. I didn't have it on on my account, but then it just appeared this morning, which was really odd. So make it happen, guys. I know a lot of you really like skincare, and for 37 cents or free, I would totally move on this deal. I also wanted to share with my IBOTTA, a different rebate app, my Alive supplements or multivitamins. That rebate has reset now 3 times, and that is 90% clearance, so I'm getting them for free. And the Always now has reset for me now twice, meaning I was able to do it on my one account and then it just showed up again a second time. So that's always fantastic. It usually resets itself 24 hours after you use it. So very nice. The final store that we have is the Dollar General. And I just wanted to show you guys this because I just thought it was kind of interesting. So in that stationery aisle, where they have all the packing stuff and then like paper and little notebooks and all that stuff, it's right across from the kids' toys at most stores. I found the mother load of calendars, and these pennied out weeks ago. For whatever reason, it ended up back on the regular floor, and they had calendars from 2003, 2004, and 2005. So it went back years. I'm assuming, most people use their cell phones instead of calendars. So for all of these, I only grabbed 100. I could have grabbed like 500 if I wanted to. There was just a huge amount. I only grabbed 100. So I really had to mind my P's and Q's. And basically, I'm going to donate all of this today to a senior center. I know that, and an oncology center, so 50 for each. And they will be put to really good use. I just had this vision that I thought that would be the great thing. And that is the biggest blessing of penny shopping, when you can give so big, and it's cost me all of $1. The telltale sign is it's going to say 2025, and a yellow and black dollar in the corner, that's usually a penny. So that is really fantastic. And here's the receipt. So I was just really delighted to track down so many, and I know that all of these I'm going to find a good home for them. And I didn't even, they're still in my car, so I'm just going to go drop them off today, and I'm very happy to do that. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.